Hey, it's Paul with rackoutfitters.com, here to show you the Rhino-Rack Batwing full-size awning. Here we have installed onto this vehicle that we've already outfitted with a Rhino-Rack Vortex base roof rack system. Here you can see on the back side we have the mounting bracket that's included with the awning and how it's attached into the top track of the Vortex Aero load bar. That same bracket is compatible with the Rhino-Rack HD load bars and also the Rhino-Rack Pioneer platforms. So you can see also on the back side here you have the extruded aluminum backing of the awning, giving it excellent rigidity. And then you can also see here we have the outer PVC jacket that keeps the material underneath in a weatherproof covering. And then the awning itself, which we will deploy, is the poly cotton ripstop nylon. So let's go ahead and deploy the awning. We have a flap that's held in place with the Velcro material, and then two more flaps, and then a zipper on the underside. So we bring the zipper all the way into the open position. And then here we have three magnetic releases along with Velcro straps that will release the material. Okay, now we have the material released. And then we have the arms that begin to fan out. Also, before I get too far along, we have a pouch here that contains all your ground stakes and guy ropes. So I'll set those aside temporarily. And here you see we have a pull strap, which will bring this around to the opposite side. And the pull strap has an anchor on the opposite side. So this anchor that's mounted to the, in this case, the underside of the Vortex load bar, it can be mounted to the top side as well, but here we have it on the underside, and that is what's going to give us the anchor point to provide the tension. I'll go ahead and release this last pull position here and make it taut. So the poles are telescopic aluminum poles that are clipped in alongside the main support pole. And here we have it deployed. Now, inside our pouch here, we have the ground stakes, and they do have an innovative method of staking each pole. So we have the guy ropes, and the heavy duty ground stakes. So what makes these ground stakes unique is that you have a crisscross method of attachment so that it provides additional grip into the soil. Also, the guy ropes include hooks. I'll demonstrate how those will engage. So if you look at the very top, you have a ring, and so the hook engages into that ring. And so that gives you a good secure mounting connection point. Okay, so we've deployed. Let's go ahead and stow it. I'll set these items aside. So just with a simple twist and a lock, bring that up, snap it, twist, and snap. Now we just bring it back around. By the way, here at the hinge point, you can see you've got a cast aluminum hinge point. You also have these plastic hinge points that can be replaced. So these are designed as a specific failure point. If you do have high winds and any of these do break, then you have two replacements, and additional replacements are also available separately, but two are included in case there's any issues. So then back on this side here, we have the magnetic retention plate that holds these arms back in place. And then now we can go ahead and fold this back up. And what we'll do is try to even out the bulk as much as possible. Got one more back here. And then we have our compartment, so everything is self-contained in the awning closure. So I'll go ahead and repack the guy ropes and the ground stakes into the bag that's included. And then we have a great place to keep those. And for that matter, our replacement hinge points we can put in there as well. Okay, and then you just re-close, and now you have your Batwing awning fully stowed. So those are all the key features of the Rhino-Rack Batwing Awning. This product, along with full line Rhino-Rack products, are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions, and thanks for watching.